It sounded like you were...
that one.
Pants made for some good airflow.
Man is the best in the game, no matter what it is. Gotta get a bike for Shane today. He's on filming duties. Don't want him to walk around the whole track though, so gotta hook my boy up. Ready to rip.
These pants are made for some good airflow.
Made it out Cahuilla Creek. Fan favorite. Still got the dirty gear. Nice and ripe. Maybe it'll make me want to ride a little faster. Yeah, full-time film with Shane today. Ankle's still a little busty. He'll be back next week though. Other than that, let's get to riding, man. Let's get going.
We're gonna actually try to warm up this time so we don't get arm pump right out the gate. I told him to go run up the hill. He wasn't really too excited about that one, so we'll just stick with like a couple jumping jacks.
Here we go again.
Bad Boy South.
Ghettoville, USA.
Block Entertainment.
You know I go by the name Nitty, right? I gotta introduce y'all another got my squad, right? This man. This go by the name of Jock.
Yo, Doc.
He resides in College Park, right? Right now, what we gotta do for y'all? What we gonna do? We gotta give y'all a hit.
Damn near every day. Ask a million questions like Jock, where you stay? Tell a College Park, where the chop cars. Eat 20 grand, spend $1 grand at the bar. Just as about his own. J's on my feet. I'm on the Patron, so get like me. 69 cutlass with the bucket seats. Beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Catch me in the hood, posted at the stove. Twiddle in my lap on the phone, count dough.
It sounded like you were...
that one.
I think you were a little too high of a gear when you came over the little table before.
Yeah, I messed it up a little bit. Turn it back, turbo.
Either way you meet, you guarantee you go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Cubes on my neck, pocket full of bent frames. When I'm in the mall, whoop just pause. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work, make the block bump.
Fresh cashews. Can't even open it. Ah. Mmm. Woo-wee! It got a little chilly at the end right there. But you know, it felt good. I changed my bar placement a little bit so a tall guy can actually fit in the saddle, the cockpit, you know. But other than that, this is a successful track day. The triple today was kind of weird. I don't know. I didn't want to lose my kids again, so I'm gonna put my clothes back on if you want to watch or not. I don't know. Already know where we about to be. The damn Aztec tacos. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lined up?
Yeah, you're good. Just turn to the turn. Just turn. Turn hard.
Going down.
Oh shit.
Locked up.
Wait, go back up.
Going down.
You gotta turn the bars the other way, dog. Stuck here. Yeah, you just roll straight back. You got it.
Oh, there we go.
First time unloading?
too tall for this thing.
Telling why the hurt guy's on the pedal bike. Chasing him.
Pulled up on the spot. Look at this Primo Dirt right here. Looking like some chocolate cake. Gonna fix these bad boys up. Maybe we'll add another one. Let's see what we get to today. Dude, look at this. Beautiful. Dude, we're gonna have a huge section in here now. Shout out to the rain.
On the beat, I think they like me. Better yet, I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Know my crew, we certified stars. Belly in the front, about 35 cars.
Said it once, I'll say it again. My man is the best in the game, no matter what it is. Look at this. We've been here for, what, 10 minutes? Look at this. It's looking like a skate park out here. Mine's another story, but you know, he's just shaping it up. I'm trying to build it up. All right, so here's what we're thinking. Probably gonna have to make this base right here, the landing right there a little bit bigger, but I'm thinking it's a double, comes to here, a little kind of ski jump, and then we're gonna try to make a hip right there. Have a nice little section right here. Eventually it'd be sweet if we can make it turn and go up around, because we had the berm right over there. So that's a long ways out, but stick around with these videos, see how far we get with this. Oh!